Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Thank you for being here, for watching my channel, and I guess that you're here because you like balloon modelling, or you like magic, or you're into your circus skills, or maybe a bit of all three. But anyway, thank you for spending this time watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I've got a super cool balloon model design. Yeah, it's a pretty general, but it's one of my favourites, and let's take a look at it. So today what we're going to look at is how to make a two-balloon dragon. You've got to do this carefully, because if you don't want to be getting your dragon angry, because it just might breathe some fire on you, and then you'll be in trouble. Isn't that right? You see, I've trained this dragon. You know, it does get a bit shirty, a bit annoyed sometimes, but it hasn't been breathing fire on me. So anyway, what you need is you're going to need one green 260, lime green, dark green, as long as it's green. That's the most important thing. And for the wings, you've probably got a bit more choice for the colour. I'm going to use sort of a duck blue. As you can see, I've sort of shaped the wings a little bit, but you could just leave them sort of in a semicircle kind of shape. But we'll get to that when we come to the wings. So let's get cracking. So we're going to make the body of the dragon. Now you want to inflate your balloon just over halfway and leaving about a hand's width. Give it a good stretch and squeeze, make sure it's nice and soft. You can start the knotted end as usual, and you're going to do two pretty small one-finger bubbles. About that size, and you're going to take the knotted end and just twist it into there. And then you want to do a nice big one-finger bubble, or even a small two-finger bubble, about that size, and you're going to pinch twist this. And there you've got the sort of snout of your dragon. Now about 3 fingers complete the snout, and now we want a couple of big one-finger bubble balloons, or maybe small two-finger bubble balloons. Make them nice and big, because these are going to be the eyes of your dragon, just like that. And you're just going to twist them together. So that's what you should have for your dragon's head. Now the next bit, sort of the neck bit of the dragon, I'm going to make that a bit bigger than my snout, so about 4 or 5 fingers, and shape it a little bit, but not too long. So a little bit longer than the snout there. And now I'm going to do the front paws of my dragon. So I'm going to do 6 really small one-finger bubbles, about that size. That's what you should have. I'm going to tie this into here. Well, I've just got my finger, just rubbing my finger there. That's sort of the front paws of my dragon. And as you can see, it's sort of splayed. So what you can do is take the 2 bottom one-finger bubble balloons and just give them a couple of twists. And there you go. You keep them all nice and together. So what I'm going to do now is finish off the body of my dragon. So that's about 3 fingers that needs to be. Now we're just going to do a couple of dog's legs. Remember, keep squeezing and stretching the balloon to keep it nice and soft. So a couple of dog legs, about 3-finger bubble balloons. Balloons? Did I say balloons? I meant bubbles. Okay, and there you go. You have got your dragon. Now that tail is very stiff and straight. Dragons don't have stiff, straight tails. So I'm just going to give this one a little bit of shape. You do a sort of little S shape. Just keep squeezing it, and you can see I've just got a touch of shape there. You can always come back to that. So that's your dragon. That's your body. I'm just going to put this to one side. and now we'll start make the wings of our dragon. So you need to pretty much fully inflate your 160, leave about a centimetre or no more than 2 centimetres uninflated at the end. I think you can see that. And you're going to tie that to your knotted end. Now it does need to be secure, so make sure that you do this so they don't come apart. I find this dead fiddly, as you're probably guessing. Oh, there we go. That's all right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the end that I've just tied together, knotted end, I'm going to tie that into the tail of my dragon. So I've got my dragon body, here's the tail, and I'm going to tie my wings in here into the tail, base of the tail. And you just have to do this a couple of times. Just go around like that. Okay, so that's what you should have. Okay, and you're going to find the sort of centre point, give it a bit of a squeeze, you can twist it a little bit if you want, and you're going to take this bit and you're going to twist it into where you did the one finger bubbles for the front paws of your dragon. So again, just a couple of times, twist it round. Don't worry if other parts of your dragon body get sort of moved around. You can always go back and sort of straighten it up. So there is your dragon, and you've got these nice sort of as you can see, sort of semicircular kind of wings. Now you can leave them like that. I'm going to give mine a bit of shape, so I'm going to put them together, and at the back, so that's about the middle to the tail, I'm just going to take them in about the middle, just give them a squeeze, not too tight because you don't want to pop your wings, and you see how you've got some sort of shape there. Do the same with the front, so your middle, take it to the front, and somewhere in the middle, just go in and just give them a squeeze at that midpoint, and there you have a really cool looking two-balloon dragon. Don't you go breathing any fire on the screen. I've spoken to the dragon about this, just ignores us. Anyway, we need some artwork on here. So I'm going to do the eyes and sort of something on the snout maybe, certainly on the mouth. So you need to grab your Sharpie marker now. So I've got my Sharpie. I'm going to do the eyes first. I'm just going to do a couple of nice big circles, just like that. And I'm going to do the eyebrows jutting down at an angle, about 45 degrees. This is pretty cross dragon. So there we've got the eyes for my dragon. I'm going to do the mouth now, so I'm going to just do sort of like that, and then I'm going to do sort of jaggy line like that for the teeth. Do it on the other side as well. And we'll just give it a couple of really small circles. The nostrils of our dragon. You just see the nostrils there. And there you go. We've got all the artwork, and that is an absolutely super cool two-balloon dragon. And remember, treat your dragon with respect, because you don't want to get your dragon angry. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe key, hit the bell icon next to it, and hit me up with a like. That would be nice too. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, but thank you for watching once again, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.